Ceramic coatings are all the rage now. Here's a question I get a lot. I got a brand new vehicle. How much work has to be done to it? Extensive paint correction, which is compound and polish, or just the polish on it? It depends. It really does. It's on a case-by-case basis. I need to evaluate the vehicle when you bring it in. I've seen vehicles that require compound after 80 miles. I've seen vehicles with 300 miles that just need a polish. It really depends on who's touched the vehicle, if they were trained properly, if they used the proper wash methods, techniques in delivering the vehicle to you. I'll do a test section for you. I'll do the test section with just the polish on there, and I'll do the test section with the compound and the polish. And then together we can evaluate your specific vehicle, what it looks like before and after. Ideally, if you're buying a brand new vehicle and it still has the shipping plastic, the white plastic on the hoods, have the dealer leave that on. Then take the vehicle to your paint protection specialist. Let them remove that. That's the best way to ensure that you don't have to do extensive paint correction on your vehicle. I'm more than happy to look at the vehicle, make that analysis, and do the test section. You can see the results firsthand, and you'll know before you leave that you're going to get an accurate price. Contact Immaculate Paint Protection today. Protect against damage from driving tomorrow.